Monte Carlo SS here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 2000 model year, clean Carfax, no accidents, indicating a two-owner car, actual miles at 44,900 is all right now. Power sunroof option. Underneath the hood, that tried and true 3800 V6. That's paired up in automatic with overdrive transmission. Take a look at this front fascia. Paint condition on this car, nice. There's a few spots. It's black where they've had a couple little touch-ups, maybe from a little pebble chip or what have you. But overall, paint shows very nicely on this car. Check out the still pictures. Every angle, undersides, interior, engine bay, trunk, unique, classiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website where you can see all the still pics. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the correct SS Chevrolet wheels, Goodyear Eagle radials. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see the paint is not full of nicks, dings, or scratches down this passenger side. Dark charcoal interior. Of course, leather bucket seats, center console. Those are heated front seats, both sides. We'll get around to the driver's side, take a little closer look at the interior, start it up, let you hear it run. There you can see that power sunroof. Straight panels, nice paint. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call it or email. See dual exhaust down below. This car will come with a California Duster as well as a battery tender and maintainer. For while it's in storage or in between drives, we're going to include that because it came with the car. I'm going to pass it along to the next owner. And once again, all those still pics, unique, classiccars.com. So we take a look down the driver's side here. If you like Monte Carlos, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online right off our showroom floor. If you make it to see us in person, come check out our huge indoor showroom. Lots of cool cars inside. All right, let's take a little closer look at this interior. Of course, your modern amenities. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors over here. Door panels look good, as you can see. This particular one has power seats, both sides. Look at lack of wear, really, on those bucket seats. Of course, you're going to have a little bit of that wrinkling from the natural hide, just how it wears, just like a comfortable pair of shoes. Steering wheel controls for stereo, cruise control. This would have dual climate control, AM, FM, CD cassette player. And in those tween years between the cassette and the CD. All right, let's check out this dash. There we go, 44.9 even. You can see gauge is working. Was a cold start. No warning indicators, check engines, anything like that. Service engine soon, nothing. Top of the dash looks good. Of course, you'd have your little driver's information center up here also, as well as your power roof button. And that is working. Suppose I can open it up and show you when we check out the engine bay, let you listen to it run. Stereo working fine. And I can vouch for the heated seat is also working. Warming me up as I'm sitting there. I'll flip those back off. Alright, as you can see, power sunroof working. Sounds as you'd expect. Nothing crazy over the top as far as exhaust. Let's go check out underneath the hood and take a peek at that power plant. I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second, pop this hood, be right back. And remember, stick around to the very end of this video. We'll take this car for a drive, show you how it goes down the road, kind of take you for a virtual ride, if you will. Underside of the hood, hood liner nice and clean and tidy. It doesn't look like this car's been driven in inclement weather. There it is. If you know, you know on that engine. 3800 Series 2. That is a reliable one, great economy. A lot of people wonder why it's not made anymore. So low mile, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. 2-owner car. No surprises on this one, folks. 2000 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pics. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 2000 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. This Monte Carlo in black. With a black interior. Looks very good. Nice low mile car, showing less than 50,000 miles. Factory stereo sounds good. One of those reliable cars that you can drive for many miles. And this one, just getting started. Leather bucket seats in this car. Great ride for long trips or comfortable, quick, fun drives. Performs well, accelerates very nicely. Now the temperature gauge is sitting down at 140. I haven't seen that move. Volts are showing charging over half the gauge. The oil pressure is a little over half the gauge as well. Fuel gauge showing less than a quarter of a tank. Our speedometer and tachometer are working as they should. Brakes work very well. I went just fast enough to get a little bit of chirp out of that tire. Corners nicely, corners as it should. We have a nice power sunroof over our heads. Very comfortable car. Take a look at all the pictures and learn about this 2000 Chevy Monte Carlo at UniqueClassicCars.com.